Are you a final year student looking for a paid internship where your code quality makes a difference? Then this opportunity at Odoo is for you. Odoo is offering a software development internship with a monthly stipend of 20,000 where you will work on real open source project used by millions worldwide. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: role details, tech stack, eligibility, and why this could be the perfect launchpad for your tech career. So stay tuned till the ends and let's dive in this. Okay, so I'll give the link in the description. You come through. So this is the official page of Odoo. Okay, so software development intern. Uh, the stipend of 20,000 per month, and it is based on research and development, and it's all open source project. You all okay. So here you can see the location. Okay, so now let's scroll and see. Are you looking for an internship in your last year study for minimum 4 months? So this internship is 4 month. Are you ready to learn fast, grow with professionals, user products? Here you can see, join your experienced team developer and develop things people can care about. Each intern has a chance to see the impact of the work and make a real contribution to the success of the company. And here can a survival guide. You can go through that and read the details. Company growth 60% over the year. And here you can see what do we look for. So if you are a curious and a creative software developer and are keen to take on challenge and responsibility, we love to have you with us. Accelerate your career as an Odoo software by joining us, wherein we are offering internship opportunities with great open source project where you work will count. Okay, so what will we do? So in your internship you develop the product itself, and therefore the app in it. No matter if you are joined a short or long time ago, intern or employee will ask your opinion or creation improvements ideas. Okay, so if you join as an intern, the team we also ask how we make it better. Okay, so team are very helpful. So Odoo is open source, so you can write public code and contribute to the development community. Great is not it. Moreover, what you develop will be used by millions of people over the world. You have chance to see the impact of work and make a real contribution to the success of the company. So it's offer you so many opportunity. You can an app development, a framework development, and work on a security development, SaaS. You also work on DevOps, in infrastructure management. Work on our internal tool, analyze and improve performance, etc. What is the real cool? You can switch from one to other whenever you decide it. It's time for a new challenge, so you gain a lot of experience in the multiple field in a short time. Okay, and the R&D team count more than 150 developer split 15 teams. After 3 weeks of initial training, we will present you all of them. You will choose one of the one you prefer. Okay, so programming language is Python and JavaScript. Database PostgreSQL and object relation mapping. Collaboration GitHub. Development model open source, and the framework is used to ORM. Okay, BI and AI also. So here you can see responsibilities. If you select as an intern, develop and improve app, work on framework or existing app, be responsible of what we develop, framework and or front end development. Must have. Okay, so one of the following BE in IT, CS, MC, MCA, MSc, IT, and BTech. Also, a student are eligible for this role. Several programming languages, object-oriented programming language, passion for development, available for 6 months full time and 5 days per week. Read and write English is important, nice to have. So a contribution to open source project, if you contribute in a previous time of any one project, that will help you to grab these opportunities. Okay, and you have knowledge of Linux and Unix platform, Python and JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Linux and GitHub. Okay, so no more advanced knowledge are required. If you have a basic knowledge of GitHub, Linux, Python, JavaScript, and front end, back end, that's enough. Okay, why should you say yes to these internship opportunities? Get good benefit, great team of every smart people in a friendly open culture, no specific start date, we recruit intern all year long, so it's not end time of this opportunity, it's all year are open this opportunity. Okay, so real responsibility and challenges in the fast evolving company, the friendly working environment as a prime location. And here can see the Odoo culture, read more. What is your manager, what's founder story, you want to read, you go through that. What we do offer, so it's offer a comprehensive POC, a full-time opportunity with an attractive salary package, prime location, training, 2 hours of training every day, eat and drink coffee and snacks provide all day, sponsor event, team outing, team launch, festival celebration, and lot of team building activities. And here you can see a sneak peek at all workplace culture. Okay, that's looking so awesome. Okay, so the culture is so awesome. Okay, so now simply click on the apply button and fill the details. Okay, and click on I am feeling luckily. Okay, after you filling this form, you will receive a mail. So after you apply for this opportunity, you receive a mail for Odoo bot, your application software development intern. Okay, and here you can see hello, your name, confirmation successfully your application for the job software development intern at Odoo India Pvt Ltd will be come with back you shortly. Okay, so if your resume is selected, you receive a mail and next process. Okay, I hope you understand the process. Please like, share, subscribe this video, and stay tuned with Techie Help for more exciting opportunities. Okay, thanks for watching.